Dear kids, as we all know that our examination starts from 24th of Feb. Here I am going to discuss few tricks, or we can say as suggestions, which are helpful for you in writing the answers in the chemistry. The whole question paper consists of 5 sections. Section A to E. Section A is completely objective, which consists of MCQ and assertion reasons question. Assertion reason question starts from 20. It is very important because many times we are confused in answer options A and B. So be calm while writing the answers. Spend only 2 minutes for each MCQ or assertion reason, because giving too much time in this objective section will be painful for you because the question paper is lengthy. Section B and C, these are short answer question. They may have different type of question: numerical based question, equation based question. One thing which I came to know, it is very important because you people are forget to write the formula in numerical section as well as the unit. So it is important to write the proper formula as well as unit in numerical type question. While balancing the equation, you have to find out that what are the product of the reaction, as well as balancing is very important. If you are not able to balance that particular equation, then half marks will be deducted. Section D, which is case study, source, or we can say as paragraph based question. This section, the paragraph is given only for the we can say as only for the concept of that particular chapter or particular topic. This is not like English and Hindi where the passage is given and we have to find out the answer. You have to find out the answer of these questions from the concept where you apply your knowledge. It is basically it is based upon your critical thinking skill. Section E is long answer questions where some internal choices are also given. You have to attempt that portion only where you are confident enough कि yes, this is the answer which is okay. Sometimes what happen, if we have segments like A, B, C part which consist of 1 plus 2 plus 2 like that, so you have to attempt that portion where you score more. And the very important thing is that you have to do the rough work on the same page by making a column over there. Board examination copy is enough, so you have to make a rough column on the same page, and it is suggested no need to cut it because sometime we have to find out the answer from the rough work also. So sometime it happens where you write the answer in the rough sheet and while you are copying the answer, you are writing it wrongly. So be calm while writing answers, and you have to go through whole question paper, that in a particular section you have attempt all the questions carefully. And last but not least, best of luck for your coming board examination, and you must believe on yourself that you can do it, you should do it.